Okay, Luxury Fred, and I am here in Scotland. And what do you do when you're in Scotland? You play some golf. So we are here at Braid Hills Golf Course, and you can see a preview of what we're gonna see. We're way up on the hills above Edinburgh, and lots of balls, just in case. And we are going to play a nice round of golf here on the links in Edinburgh, Scotland, at Braid Hills Golf Course.
Okay, so what you see there is the gorse bush, which was in bloom when it was taken, but it's out of bloom now, but they are very much still there and protecting a lot of the fairways and greens. Okay, now the course itself, it's quite a short course. You're starting up at this top of the hill here. You're going to work down the right hand side. First little challenge, make sure you play the par 3 up to the right and not the par 3 to the left. It's signposted, but as you play down the right hand side, as you play the 5th, our 9-hole course appears on your right hand side, and the actual reception building greets you at the bottom of the 5th green, and you're welcome to go in there for the restroom or refreshments. You've obviously got a lot of golf balls there, so you shouldn't need to replenish those. So you're turning at the bottom, coming right back through again. As you play the 7th, make sure you do keep your golf to the left hand side and play to the green with the white 7. The 14th fairway, although on the map not too clear, but it looks very inviting from the 7th tee. If you go right, you'll most likely land on the 14th fairway. Not a problem, but it's a blind shot back up to the 7th green from there. As you come off the 7th green, walk over the 15th tee to the 8th tee, which plays to a raised green to the right hand side. Turning and coming right back down again on this side. So you've got the main road running along here as well. So you're right down the bottom, turning again at the bottom and coming right back through the middle. 16's a dogleg to the right, 17's over the valley. The 18th fairway is literally on the hill, and the green itself is the highest point of the golf course. So if you're looking for selfies, get the cameras out and pan, you can pan right behind you, and you'll get the whole city right behind you, including the castle.
Excellent.
That's pretty much right behind you there. As you can see from here, that is the shot of the 18th tee. So
wow.
That's kind of what you're going to be involved with. Alright, now that guy's knocked that ball hopefully up the hill.
Okay.
Keep in mind, it is the highest point, so it's going to test you right to the last putt. But it's a nice big forgiving green up there. But it's getting up there, it's just a little issue. So, as I say, it will challenge your golfing skills as well as your logistics skills. So.
Some golf here at Braid Hill. Ready? Playing golf in Scotland here at Braid Hills course above Edinburgh, and although we can see more from some of the other holes, see the Edinburgh Castle is right kind of on the right side or the left side of that rock, and then we have the ocean out there and all that kind of beautiful stuff here in Edinburgh, Scotland at Braid Hills Golf Course. So I've got to play to that green out there. Okay. Woo! 18th green here at Braid Hills Golf Course in Edinburgh, Scotland. And it is windy. Edinburgh, Scotland. 18th green, 360-degree views of Edinburgh.